How to pay with Paypenny in Germany. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Paypenny app to send money while living in Germany.
So to get started, download and install the Paypenny app from Google Play or the App Store. Create your account using your German phone number or email. Verify your identity using your passport, residence card, or driver's license. Choose your top-up method like bank transfer, credit card, or support. After adding funds, tap Send Money, which you can find from your dashboard. Click on this Send Money icon, and then from here, select your recipient's country and payment method, either bank transfer, UPI, or wallet. Enter the amount in euros or INR. PayPenny shows you the live exchange rate and any fees. Add recipient details like name, phone number, or bank account. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email and SMS when it's processed. You'll be able to see it from the app as well, which can appear just like this. Transfers in Transfers to India usually arrive within minutes to a few hours. Keep your KYC updated to avoid transaction limits. Use the transaction history tab to view your past transfers, and that's how to pay with PayPenny while living in Germany.